Hey everyone, how is it going? In this video I'm gonna show you how to share your messenger story only specific person or only a target person. So watch this video until the end and don't skip for a single moment. And if you are new here in my channel, I'm gonna request you please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So for doing this, you have to go your messenger application. You can see this is my messenger app or application, so just click on it, and wherever you come here in your messenger application, you can see such kind of interface in your messenger application. Next, you can see here there is your story. So if you click here in your story, you can share your story, but this story will share with everybody, but you want to share your story just a specific person or targeted person. So what you have to do, you can see here at the left side your profile picture or messenger profile picture, so just click on it. Next, scroll down and you can see here there is story, so just click on story, and you can see here there is first one has been selected, that is public. That means anyone on Messenger or Facebook can see your story. And next one is only friend or friends only can see your story. And 3 is this custom, so click on just their custom, and whenever you will click here on this custom, and you can see here such a title at the top of the side that is choose people. Whenever you choose some people or a specific person, you can share your story only with them, such as I'm gonna fix or I'm gonna choose such person 1, 2 or 3. I fix 3 person. Next, you can see here there is apply, so click on apply, and you can see here only 3 people can see your story. Select more people to let them see what you add to your story. So if you want to share your story only 3 person, next click on here there is OK. And if you want to share a story with more person, just click on add people. So I'm gonna click on OK. Next, you can see here there is 3 people can see your story, and what you have to do in final time, you have to click on save. And whenever you will click on save, you can see there is save your settings on Messenger and Facebook. There is your photos or videos only 3 people can see whenever you will share your story. So just click on save, and it's updating right now. It's okay right now, it's updated, and you can share your story only 3 person or only specific person. So thank you so much for watching my video.